Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Course. Today we are getting strategic and talking about a secret weapon for YouTube success, knowing your competitors. We all know that competition breeds innovation, and YouTube is not different. But fear not, follow creators, analyzing your competitors is not about copying them, it's about learning from them. Why analyze your competitors? Understand the landscape. Who are the big player in your niche? What kind of content are they creating? Identify gaps. Are there topics your competitors are not covering? This could be your golden opportunity. Learning for their success and failure. See what kind of content resonates with your target audience and what might be a turnoff. Stay ahead of the curve. See what trends your competitors are tapping into and adjust your strategy accordingly. But who do you analyze your competitors? Here are some spice secrets. Channel deep dive. Subscribe to their channels with their videos and see what kind of content they are creating. Comment section intel. Check out the comments on their videos. What are the viewers saying they like and dislike? Social media surveillance. Follow your competitors on their platforms. What kind of content are they promoting there? Analytics, espionage. Use YouTube analytics tools to see basic metrics like viewership and engagement on their videos. Remember, you are not here to steal their audience. You are here to learn from them. Use competitor analysis to inform your strategy, not copy it. Find your unique voice, create high quality content your audience loves, and build your own thriving YouTube community. In the comment, tell me which YouTube competitor you're most curious about. Know your competitor is best for new YouTuber. If you analyze them properly, so you can learn many things. It can help you in your future. They are expert in their field. In the beginning time, their step can help you so much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.